Alrighty, welcome back to another trade recap. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today I took one trade. I took a short on NASDAQ this morning on the 5 minute time frame. Actually, I don't really take trades on the 5 minute, but today I took a trade on the 5 minute. And let me just clear all of this off my charts and we will get started, and I'll kind of run you through what kind of my process was going into the day and what I was seeing before market open and what gave me my bias going into the day. So coming into the day, I really had kind of a on the higher time frame, I kind of had a neutral bias because again, we are at all-time highs and I just really wanted to be patient, and there's nothing really that's showing me where we want to go on the higher time frame. Now, ES on the higher time frame at this point, we actually had a bearish SMT with all-time highs. So that was kind of giving me my kind of first overall like what I wanted to see. So it's a bearish S&T, but this isn't really showing me much, right? Because we could easily displace this without, especially how bullish ES was. We ran through this 4 hour fair value gap yesterday. So I just wanted to be patient. Oh, wrong one. I just wanted to be patient and see what market wanted to show me. So at market open, we had a high time frame bearish SMT with all-time highs, and then we also put in another bearish SMT. NQ came up and took this high. ES did not. So we had two bearish SMTs coming into pre-market, and we just took internal buy side to the left of us. So right now I'm really leaning shorts. I want to see price go lower. Now we had Asia low. We had Asia resting below us, Asia and London resting below us, and then also we had midnight open right above Asia. So I wanted to see us come back to midnight open. I wanted to see us show more price action, right? I don't take trades pre-market. I just wanted to see what price was going to show me. Now, throughout this 15-minute fair value gap, we were continuing to respect this 15-minute fair value gap. And coming into market open, really, I wanted us to see us have one more manipulation, like our turtle soup to the up or to the downside, to go out and take Asia, right? So what time is this? Okay, so this is 7:25. So at market open, we come up. Oh, let me actually just go back because so right before market open, we have our turtle soup, we take this internal high, and we yet again put in another bearish SMT. ES never came up and took this high. Let me guys. Okay. As you guys can see, ES never came up and took this high. We had yet another bearish SMT. So this is really showing me all I want to see, right? We have another bearish SMT. Let me mark it out real quick. So we have three bearish SMTs. And once we ran through this little tiny 5-minute fair value gap, and we displaced this change in the state on the 5-minute, I enter short, right? I enter short. My fill was around, I think, 44. I have my SL above this SMT protected high, and I'm targeting Asia. I'm targeting Asia for full position, but at this internal low, I took half my contracts off and put my stop the break even. So once we took this internal low, I took half my position size off and I moved my stop to break even. And not too much later, we hit TP. Out full position there. I made around $1,300 taking this trade today, and really overall just a great trade. And I was journaling about it. I was looking back at my stats, and when I follow every single one of my rules, manipulation, tap into a higher time frame for value gap, tapped into the 15-minute for value gap, SMT. We had three bearish SMTs, a change in state, and an inverse for value gap. I have a 100% win rate. You guys might be thinking, oh, 100% win rate, holy fucking shit. Is that 100% win rate going to stand? Most likely not, right? Because sometimes price just doesn't go how you want it to go. You could follow all of your rules. It sometimes is just not going to go your way. So the key is, and what you guys should just be focusing on, is just focusing on following your rules. That's what you should be focusing on. But what you guys should just be focusing on every single day that you come into the market is just focusing on following your rules and building good habits. And when you do that, nothing else matters. All that matters is that you followed your rules and you were just focused on building good habits. The money doesn't matter. As soon as the money doesn't matter for you is the moment that you're going to start making money from trading. So you guys just have to realize that coming into every day. So basically what we're looking for tomorrow is, obviously I want to see price go lower. ES later on in the PM session, we actually came up and ran all those SMTs and took out all-time highs, but we actually ended up putting in another bearish SMT with that. ES took this high, NQ did not. So we actually put in another bearish SMT. Now, what I would want to see from that is on ES, I would want to see a 1 hour change in the state to the downside. I'd want to see this 1 hour change, which we actually might be getting right now. I would want to see a 1 hour change to the downside to go take out this internal low, but we never know what could happen, right? We could tap back into this 4 hour for value gap and go higher. I don't know what's going to happen, but going in tomorrow, I'm going in extremely patient, just focused on building good habits. I'm up on the week. I don't want to take away profits, capital preservation. I'm just taking my trades that 100% follow my rules, right? And that should be the goal with you guys too. So that was kind of my trade today. Made $1,300 from an NQ short. Very happy with it. And we'll see what we go into tomorrow. So I hope you guys enjoyed this trade recap, and I will see you guys in the next one.